It all began in 1978 in Punjab with the production of bicycle rubber brake shoe factory, and ever since the Eastman Group has been taking huge strides towards expansion and diversification. Working on Make in India principle of Government of India, we hereby introduce Addo India Tires, which has already been exported across the globe to more than 62 countries across all the 5 developed continents. Established in 1982, Eastman Industries Limited, our corporate office is in Ludhiana, Punjab. Our bicycle manufacturing plant is located adjoining to our corporate office. It is 300 kilometers from New Delhi and 180 kilometers from Amritsar. Our group companies include Eastman Cast and Forge Limited, incorporated in 1989 in Ludhiana. The company is saluted for its world-class hand tools and farm parts production facilities. Eastman Auto and Power Limited, incepted in 2006, has made a niche for itself in lead-acid batteries for inverters, solar applications and automobiles. JRS Scaffolds plant is the latest feather added to the cap, which is involved in manufacturing scaffolding products. Eastman Hong Kong Private Limited and Eastman Middle East FZE are incorporated outside India to promote exports. We have 2 offices in Qingdao and Tianjin in China to facilitate our Chinese origin exports. Eastman Group turnover has been in increasing trend in last 5 years. The Addo India has been exported to 11 South American nations like Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Chile. In Africa, company has exported to 20 countries including Algeria, Morocco, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Angola, Ghana, Tanzania. In Middle East, Addo India exists in 7 countries like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Oman, Iran. In Central American Caribbean markets, Addo India has its presence in 6 countries including Trinidad and Jamaica. In Asia, it has exported to 7 countries of Asia. Among them are Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Philippines. It's being exported to 7 European nations such as Poland, France, Romania, and that's not all. Addo India also fulfills the quality tires demands of Russia, Australia, and reaches out to small island nations such as Fiji and Mauritius as well. Addo India has astonishing product range for Indian origin nylon agricultural tires for flotation, implement, tractor, lawn and irrigation systems. For industrial tires, Addo India offers loaders, graders, OTR, JCB, skid steer tires. It has a wide range of pneumatic forklift tires along with a vast range of solid tires. From the nylon light and heavy truck tires, its range starts from 650/14 and goes up to 1200/24 size. The company also offers multiple pattern options for motorcycle and 3-wheeler tires. And that's not all. Addo India also exports butyl tubes and tire flaps with tires or full container loads. The company not only works on its existing range but also have the expertise to develop new sizes as per the customer demand. If you have a requirement, the company can work out great solutions for you without any compromise on quality whatsoever. Our manufacturing facility for Addo India has a production capacity of over 1,000 metric tons per month. The journey of the making of the masterpiece initiates with the meticulous selection of raw materials procured from the reputed suppliers. All raw materials are inspected by the qualified and experienced quality controllers with tests such as specific gravity and chemical properties. The quality insistence continues unabatedly at every stage. Not just random testing, but every batch of master compound of rubber prepared from the Banbury mixer is temperature controlled and tested in the lab by rheometer and Mooney viscosity. Different type of rubber compound is used for tread, sidewall, inner layer and under tread areas. For the plies of the tire, nylon is tested for EPI, adhesion and made moisture free before calendaring with gauge control for uniform bonding with rubber. Weight and length of every tread, sidewall is measured and recorded. An automated ply cutter is used to cut the tires in required angles. For the tire building, semi-automated tire building line is used for green tire building, with only experienced staff deployed under the guidance of our qualified engineers. Curing is done with temperature and pressure control measures, and post-curing inflation PCI is done for the tires. We conduct testing in our in-house lab facility for endurance test, referred for live test and plunger testing, which is required to test ply rating. Tensile and elongation tests are also done for tubes and flaps. Cut tire analysis are also done on random basis. All the equipments used for testing are well calibrated so that we have accurate test results. We also get our tires tested from Government of India approved labs. Field testing of tires is done to get the actual use results as well. We have EMARC, SASO, GCC, SONCAP, InMetro, REACH certifications for our tires. We have in-house loading permission to load the containers. Strict ISO procedure is followed to ensure correct quantity and product loading. As some of the customers in countries need third-party inspection of their goods, so we are already conducting it with reputed agencies such as SGS, BB, Intertech, TUV, etc. Feedback is sought for every shipment from the customer, and it is discussed to implement suggestions in management review meetings. The company has its dedicated logistics and documentation department. Enterprise resource planning (ERP) software is implemented across the company for proper coordination within the marketing, production and supply chain teams. To achieve high standards for its working, the company religiously follows ISO systems. 5S Kaizen systems are part of its routine. Due to quality of its products and services, we have won several accolades successively as National Export Award 2000, Engineering Export Award consecutively in 2004 and 2005, Niryat Shri Award for Exports in 2007, EEPC Export Excellence Award 2007, CII Exim Bank Award for Business Excellence 2008, EEPC Award 2012. Our MD is awarded as one of the top industrialists of Punjab in 2014. To enable a wide outreach, we regularly participate in international expositions such as Sitexpo China 2008, Auto Mechanica Dubai 2008, Reifen Germany 2010, Reifen China 2011, Sitexpo Shanghai 2012, FICCI India Trade Show 2013, Agri Show Brazil 2014, Panama Tire Show 2014, SN Reifen Germany 2014 and 2016. We also participate in many regional fairs. To fulfill the demand of radial tires, the company exports PCR, TBR and OTR radials from China to other countries. To maintain regular growth of sales, the company has an experienced marketing team which travels regularly across all continents to meet new and existing customers on continuous basis. It also has language professionals who can fluently speak to facilitate the requirements in French, Portuguese, Persian, Russian, Spanish, Arabic, etc., working on ancient Indian tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava, which means guest is God. We offer warm welcome to our customers. The credit of huge success of Addo India goes to its dedicated workforce. The invaluable human asset is given training impetus from time to time to firmly sustain our quality and service standards. Our human resource department is continuously involved in various welfare activities such as birthdays, festival celebrations, New Year, Independence Day, etc. A 33 kilowatt interactive solar grid for its office electricity consumption demonstrates our environment-friendly inclination. We have won Energy Efficiency Award in 2010. Compliance to relevant statutory and regulatory requirements and paying all applicable taxes and custom duties is a part of our working culture. Government of India has recognized this by awarding us Good Corporate Citizen Award in 2009. We do excellence every day, and marching accomplishments of Addo India are a testimony to its victories and triumphs.
Hello friends, welcome to Addo India Tires. Having an experience of 34 years in exports, we are a customer-oriented organization with capability to offer over 300 sizes from India and 100 sizes from China. Customer feedbacks are being taken every 6 months for continual improvement. We have new product development capabilities to address customer-specific needs on size and trends. We now look forward to be your preferred supplier in the times to come. Thank you.
Let's win together.